Hello kids! So today in this video we are going to learn alphabets A, B, C, D and the objects starting with these letters. But before that we'll learn some colors. This is red color. This one is yellow color. Red, yellow. Next, this is green color. And this one is blue color. Okay, so these are the four colors I'll use in today's video: red, yellow, green and blue. Okay, so let's start. So this is letter A. A for apple. A for apple. Okay, A for apple. Next, A for aeroplane. Okay, A for aeroplane and A for ant. Okay, so A for apple, A for aeroplane and A for ant. Next, which color? Yellow color. B. This is capital letter B. B for boat. B for boat. Okay, B for boat and B for balloon. Okay, B for balloon and B for banana. Okay, B for banana. So B for boat, B for balloon and B for banana. Next I'll take green color and write the letter C. This is capital letter C. C for cat. C for cat. Okay, C for cat and C for car. C for car. C for cap. C for cap. Okay, C for cap. So we have cat, car and cap. C for cat, car and cap. Next, I'll take blue color and write the letter D. This is capital letter D. D for dog. D for dog. Okay, D for dog. D for dice. D for dice. D for duck. Okay, D for duck. So we have dog, dice and duck. D for dog, D for dice and D for duck. So here we have completed our alphabets and the objects starting with these letters. So I hope you like this video, and if you like it, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.